Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Suthar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Python. In this tutorial, we will see external module handling in Python. So let's open Python script in a PyCharm code editor. Moreover, please get all Python scripts of tutorial from the GitHub link given in the description below. So here is a Python script. I have written some line of codes that I'm going to explain one by one. So first we are going to see the built-in modules that are already published and ready to use. So first I'm going to use the help function, and inside the help function I am going to put a string, and in the string I'm going to write down is the modules. Now I'm going to run the code by using right click and run a particular script. Oh, there is okay here. So here the list of built-in modules. So those modules we don't need to install from external sources. Those are going to install along with the installation of Python itself. Okay, now those modules we are able to use in our current script by using the import keyword. So here first one is a import random. So random must be in the list of the built-ins. Scroll down. Here is a random. Okay, so this all built-in modules that we are able to import in our current script by using the import keyword. Now what is the module? So module is nothing but it is just the block of reusable code. It can be function, it can be class as well. So those block of code have written into the another script, but that script is separate from our current script, and we want to use that block of code in our current script. So that's why we have to import that module in our script. So this is the random. So random is another script. Now inside the random there would be the several functions that we are able to use in current script. So first we are going to import the module, that means another script we are going to import in our current script. After that whatever function inside that module that we are able to use it in our current script. So we don't need to write down the function repeatedly into our current script. That's called modules. It means the storage of reusable block of codes. Okay, so first import random, import IO, import time, import math, import date and time. Those all are built-in modules, and I have imported here. Now I am going to a function which is written into the built-in modules. So in math module there is a one function is a pi that I am going to print and see the value. Another, in the math module there is a square root function, and inside the square root function I am going to pass an argument which is the number to find out the answer. Now let's run the script and see the outcome. So I'm going to right click and just hit the run, and here it is. So those list has built-in modules list printed again, and here we can see the answer is the math. We have accessed the pi function from the math module, and here is our answer 3.14159. and another we have accessed the square root function from the math module and passed the argument 25, and here we got our answer is a 5. That is correct. So in short, module is a block of code, block of reusable code that store into another script. So if we want to access the code from that script, we have to import that script into our current script by using the import keyword, and after that import keyword we are able to access the whatever function written into the script outside of the current script. Okay, so this is we talk about the internal modules, that built-in module. How about the modules that are not built in? For example, there is a one module is a Numpy, So this is Numpy is a numerical Python that is a externally developed module. But how we can access it here? It is not a built-in. So here I'm going to run the script and see the error first. So run the script and here is my error. It says that module not found error, no module named Numpy. Okay, so that means I cannot import a module that is not installed in my system. Now, how I can install externally developed module? So first we are going to go to the this is the website pypi.org. Externally developed module. The publisher has shared those module for in open source for anybody to use. Those modules are going to controlled by this website pypi.org. First let us read. So pypi helps you to find and install software developed and shared by the Python community. Okay, now how we can access those modules that developed and shared by Python community. So first we need to go to the terminal can be external or internal. So here I'm going to install the external module in my virtual environment. First we have to see whether there is a pip installed in our system. So pip dash version, we are going to check. Yes, it has been installed. So whenever you are going to install a new Python in your system, there is it is going to ask you whether you want to install pip along with your installation of Python or not. So yes, I have installed it. Now how I can install externally developed module in my system? So I'm going to use the pip keyword, then after install, and after install whichever module I want to import into my system. So first I know the Numpy, so that's why I'm going to import the Numpy and hit the enter. And it is going to take some time to install, depend on your internet speed and the package size. Okay, so here I can see it has been installed successfully. Now let me import some 2-3 more modules. Pip install pandas, that is also externally developed and by Python community. Another pip install matplotlib. Done. So I have installed 3 externally developed module in my system. So just we are going to use the import keyword and the module name that we want to import, and I'm going to run my script and see the outcome, whether the error is still there or not. Okay, there is an error that I don't care. So here we can see there is no error. That means we are able to import successfully module that we have just installed recently. Another module, import pandas as pd as after as whatever I have written, that is the abbreviation of my module name, because I don't want to write down every time pandas, so I can use the pd as well instead of the pandas. So I'm going to import pandas as well. I'm going to import another module matplotlib as mlp and run to see whether it is working well or not. So there is no error. That means we are able to import externally developed module in our system, and we are able to install externally developed module into our system by using the pip install keyword. And after that we are able to import those externally developed module into our current script by using the import with the module name, following to the module name. So here this is all about how we can use the built-in modules into our current script, and how we can import the externally developed module into system and use those modules into our current script. Hope you understand this well and hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.